Welcome back. In this video, we'll continue our discussion on error handling in the new app router, focusing specifically on handling error within nested routes. Currently, our error.TSX file is in the comments ID folder, reflecting the nested structure of our routes hierarchy with post at the top, followed by post ID and the comments ID. It's crucial to note that error bundle up to the closest parent's error boundary. This means that an error.tsx file will handle error for all its nested child segments. By strategically placing error.tsx files at the different level within nested folder, we can achieve a more granular level of error handling. Let's see this in action. If we move the error.tsx file from the comments ID folder to the post folder and refresh the browser until an error is triggered, we'll see the same error message as before. Error loading comments. However, this time the entire post routes in replaced by the UI from the error.tsx file. The error from page.tsx in the comments ID folder bubble ups to the nearest error boundary defined in the error.tsx file in the post folder. On the other hand, if we move the file back to the comments ID folder and refresh the browser, only the review component is replaced by the UI in error.tsx, leaving the featured post session from the post ID layout intact. This demonstrates how error handling operates in nested routes. The placement of the error.tsx file is crucial in determining the scope of error handling, allowing for precise control over which parts of the UI are affected when error occurs. Join me in the next video and happy coding!